Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sarita Prem, Director of Amadou Surabhi Ayurveda Hospitals. Today the topic is constipation. I think it is one of the needed condition topic which many people are really hesitating to speak in front of others. As we all know, daily we intake food. The active nutrients are absorbed by our body and the waste product must be eliminated from our body. So when this routine is changed, it shows extreme difficulty for a person to move on with his daily works. So constipation is a condition which happens when there is less frequent bowel movement. So it is a very common condition, I saw, even in women and men and even in kids. It is a more severe condition that can cause extreme discomforts and even it can risk to many other diseases. So less frequent movement of bowel and even extreme hard or dry stool, all we can call it as constipation. So there are many causes which is leading to constipation, and the first and important cause is improper diet. So as I always tell you, see, whenever a disease happen in our body, definitely the main root cause will be our improper diet and activities. So this is the opening door for all the diseases. Even if it is a viral infection or whatever condition it is, it all depends upon our diet and our water intake. So improper diet, that is the diet which is having very less dietary fibers. The other one is lack of proper intake of water. And another reason of constipation is even the use of certain medications like aspirin, beta blockers and all, antihistamine tablets. So these all medicines have some side reactions that can lead to constipation. So when the person is having a habit of taking more junk foods, especially as we all know, even kids and all other category people, they always run behind their cravings. They always love to have some junk foods like pizza, burger, puffs and even parotas. So they always want to lead some life by running towards their cravings. So such type of improper diet can lead to severe constipation. So we all know it's like when we get a proper appetite daily in our routines also, there must be a proper evacuation from our body. So if it is not happening, it is causing severe discomfort and can lead to many conditions. And also the other some conditions are intake of very less fruits and fibrous food items, and also some people ignore the sensation of defecation. As we all know, the kids, when they are playing, if they are getting such a defecation sensation, definitely they will try to ignore because it may disturb their playing activity. So such type of activities, ignoring the defecation urge, can lead to severe constipation. So such condition we call it as habitual constipation. And other reasons are certain disease it can be secondary to certain diseases like hypothyroidism, diabetes, Parkinson's, some brain injury, hypercalcemia. So such type of conditions can lead to constipation. And even if there is any cancerous growth in the rectum, that is our that is a part of intestine where the stools are getting collected. So if there is any hard lesions there, so it can lead to severe constipation. So such type of conditions are very important that we must know the reason of constipation and rule it out. Next one is symptoms of constipation. So what are the symptoms that we can see in a patient or in a person who is developing constipation? The first and important symptoms are some of the main symptoms are severe abdominal pain, somewhat a blotting of abdomen, that is distension of abdomen, and the person feel very less appetite, and also somewhat a tiredness, uneasiness, really they get more irritated if the bowel is not cleared, and also they feel inactive totally and very painful. Even if they try straining at stool, they feel more painful when the stool is very hard, and when it touches the anal region it can cause certain cracks also. So these are some of the symptoms which a person face when they have constipation. So the important food items are like wheat, ragi, and also brown rice is very good to relieve constipation. And also you have to take more leafy vegetables, more fruits. Even all the fruits are having good fibers. So daily taking fruits is a good habit, and also take plenty of vegetables like and even also green grams, and also majority of gram items are useful to relieve constipation. Try to avoid maida products and junk fruits and deep fried food items. Take plenty of water. Minimum 2 liters of water is must for your body regularly. So you have to take plenty of water, and try to avoid late food. Just early morning when you get up, try to take 2 glasses of warm water. It's very beneficial for you to move on with your daily routines. So it's important in early morning only. Don't try to pour tea in your stomach. It's very important to know that point. So as it provokes your acidity, so try to take plenty of water. And also you can if you are having by following all these things, if you are having any constipation, then you have to stick on to some medicines to relieve that condition time being. Don't think that when you take a regular medication for constipation is good. No, you don't stick on with medications regularly to relieve constipation. Try to follow in your diet only, then only if it is not working only you have to find out the reason and tackle with medications. So in Ayurveda we give more importance to know what is the reason for constipation. So Nidana Parivarjana, that's the first line of treatment. First we will know what is the condition, and according to that only we instruct the patient a treatment. So there are a lot of medicines which are very beneficial to relieve constipation, like Triphala Churna, Avipatti Churna. Triphala, it's a combination of 3 drugs, Avipatti Churna, and also some procedures like Virechana we used to adopt. And also Vasti is one of the main important Chodana Chikitsa which we adopt in patient who is having severe constipation, because we all know Vata is very much responsible for making the stools very dry. So in such people, in order to pacify the Vata dosha, in order to mitigate it, we used to advise Vasti procedures. And also some of the drug of choices, Indian gooseberries are very beneficial in relieving constipation. Licorice is very important, that 1 spoon of licorice in 1 glass of hot water daily, empty stomach, relieves your constipation. And draksha, that is grapes, is very good, especially dry grapes. And fig is one of the very important medicinal value fruit that relieves constipation. So these are some of the methods, and you can as a regular basis you can follow with 1 glass of Triphala decoction daily night at bedtime in order to relieve the constipation. So these are some words, these are some important points regarding constipation. So next time I will come with a new video. See, if you feel this beneficial, just share with everyone. Try to subscribe our channel for further new informations. Thank you.